Today we are going to draw ears on your facial proportion worksheet. Now the ears start about at the top of the eye, around there, and they go down to somewhere not at the bottom of the nose, maybe kind of the center of this ball that we made in the nose, around there. And they're mostly the same on both sides of the face. As I said before, no one is 100% symmetrical, but our average person is a little bit symmetrical. So it's okay if it's a little off, just try to get as close as possible. The top of the ears come out and then go down in. Now some people's ears are bigger than others. Some people's ears stick out more than others, especially if they have glasses or hair stuck behind to kind of push their ears out at the top even more. Maybe we'll make this ear a little more sticky outy. Alright, and they're not perfect, like flat on the edges. They do tend to curve. After we have this general shape of the ear, then we can come in with the line that goes out over here and goes out over there, and then this piece of the ear that comes in. Make sure that that's symmetrical. And usually there's some sort of shading down at the bottom of the earlobe. Put in some more shading. There's usually this darker piece here and a darker piece there, and then a lighter piece of shading in between the inside part of the ear. We have a darker piece here, darker piece there, and the lighter shading here. I'm using the tip of my pencil because this is a really soft pencil. If you have a harder pencil, to get good shading, you're of course going to need to use the side. There's going to be a little bit of shading here just because the ears are farther back on the face than the cheeks. A little bit of shading down there, and a little shading where this part of the ear sticks out. We can darken up our edge. Although depending on where you draw your hair, you may be putting your hair over some of the ear or even all of the ear. But having the ear there, like it is on a real face, will make your hair look more realistic. We can clean up some of our guidelines, and we have two ears in the right place on a face.